Good morning, Jamaica. Good morning. Blessings for a brand new day. 2 beautiful weeks. And now it's time to go home. So, enjoying something here. I don't know what this is. Yeah, it's some chips. One of you got me a few things for my little ones. Got a nice little dress for her. So I did a little bit of shopping here. How are they? Cool kids. So for my grandchildren. So they're getting some little stuff here. Gia Marie getting a nice little dress. I love it. It's so cute. It is so beautiful for her. Look at that, guys. Look at that. For Lady Gia Marie, the little princess. It's beautiful. And some stuff for Grayson as well. Got him some shorts, some tops, some little stuff for cool kids. So I'm in DQ Dairy Queen, enjoying my small meal before I go. So thanks for all the love, my people. Thank you, my powerful MVP family. Thank you guys for all the love. Thank you, Bev Brown. Thank you, Lady Carell Dawkins. Thank you for your love, your support, your kindness, the cleanliness of the, oh my God, the love, the respect. Thank you guys for all things. I so totally appreciate all of you. So as I head on out, I wish for us blessings upon blessings, and that everything that you think or touch or say will be blessed. Thank you. That's okay, that's okay. Here, fresh produce for Dairy Queen, guys, rolling in, rolling in. All right. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Thank you. So until you see me in Connecticut, guys, all the best. This was one of the best vacations. Collaborating with the team for the Soup Kitchen, making plans for where we go next. Bev Brown getting her food handler's permit. So we're legit, guys. We are legit. We're legit. So God be praised for all things.